SukGarden, a comprehensive ecological home cleaning brand integrating research and development, production, sales, and service, was founded in 2015. The brand advocates ecological home cleaning and safeguarding of family health, the main home, cleaning, kitchen and bathroom washing, paper towels, baby and children's products. SukGarden brand positioning ecological home clean is China's household cleaning industry innovation brand and ecological home clean specialization brand. SukGarden takes respect for nature, the pursuit of natural, ecological cleaning as its brand philosophy, and has created a variety of products such as laundry gel, tableware net, toilet bowl cleaner, etc. Focusing on the whole family's home life, our products cover not only all major online e-commerce platforms but also offline market and stores. SukGarden have strategically invested in an intelligent automated factory. Currently, we have more than 300 employees in Guangzhou. 5-story office building of about 3,000 square meters, Dongguan warehouse of 5,000 square meters, Zhengmen warehouse of 3,000 square meters, and strategic investment in a number of well-known domestic OEM enterprises. SukGarden is a strong example of emerging brands in the new consumer sector, breaking the pattern of China's household cleaning industry for more than 20 years has been dominated by international and domestic brands.